Hey guys, we're doing a little work on our trailer before we take off on a trip. I want to show you what we've got here. We've got some reflectors. Your tail lights are fine and dandy, but it's always good, in case you have tail lights that go out, to put a set of reflectors on the back of your trailer. So what we're doing is we are, as you can see, I've got one over there already. We're going to put another one over here, and I've taken the ruler and I've marked me a mark on here to make it the same as the other side, and I've got it set up to where this thing is going to mount right like that. Okay, but what I've got to do is I've got to drill a hole in both sides, and so what I do is I just take my drill and start a little hole, scratch the metal. As you can see, I scratched the metal so that now I know exactly where I need to drill. You're going to drill both. Go slow so it doesn't burn up your bit. Okay, so I'm going to drill both sides, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my screws and I'm going to put them in through the holes, and I'm going to stick, this has got a back that peels off. We're going to stick it on there, then we're going to set the screws. Okay guys, after drilling our holes for our screws, I still am going to use one of these little metal screws that has the drill bit on the end, and it's a self tapper, and it is just a hair bit larger than our bit that we've used to drill the hole. Now the reason is I'm using this one is because a wood screw just will not bite into this metal. It'll just twist off and break off in the hole. And these are really they're soft, they're really easy. If you don't drill a pilot hole and make it to where they'll go in, you're gonna break these small kind of screws off as well. Now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take the backing off of my reflector, and I'm going to place my screw through both sides. Okay, now I'm sticking them barely through on both sides like that, as you can see. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put both of those in the hole, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver, and you just want to be real gentle, not break them off, not bust your reflector, just snug them down. Between the screw and the adhesive on the back of that reflector, that's there.